Welcome to our channel. For those of you who are new around here, we're Pal Tiya International and we created a sculpting medium called Pal Tiya Premium that looks and feels just like clay but cures stone hard. Check out our other videos to see for yourself what's possible.
Our sculpture has now been completely compressed. It's reasonably strong, and we're going to start from here down, going this way, because this edge here must be sculpted in the presence of the lid that goes on top. So we're just going to go this way, and we're going to coat this about 1/8 of an inch, just thick enough that we can get deep furrows carved into that surface. So it's not going to really get heavy. It'll be fine. So we're going to mix up 3-cup batches.
I love the texture of this. It's just so...
This is as large a batch as I physically can do.
Oh, yeah, you couldn't hold on to it otherwise.
Well, Santa mixes his entirely in the bowl, and I just I get it up where I can feel it. A machine should be doing this for us. I want a machine doing this. We're about to apply Pal Tiya Premium. This has been mixed to a lovely creamy dough-like consistency, and we're going to put this on about the thickness of a sheet of cardboard, so about 1/8 of an inch thick, or about 2-3 mil. So we're starting from the top, and we drive it into the surface like this very quickly. This part goes very, very fast. Don't make it too thin. Once you do that one patch, grab a fork and put deep, slow down here, deep furrows like that in it. That allows the next layer, the detail layer, to have something to really grip onto. There, aggressive teeth. Then, get another piece, put that on, and rake that. Make sure that you're driving it into that foil so it doesn't slump off. Keep your facets, keep the planes and the shapes that you've got as rigid geometries, or else it will soften too much. So I'm going around this rock here, and I'm making sure that's a facet, that's a facet, that's a facet, the one behind it is a facet, so you still see it as a crystal. It's the creamiest and the loveliest thing for about 15 minutes. Now I can remix it to that super soft state for a bit, but it's best to get it on here for the furrow coat to be as soft as we can.
Colder your hands are, the better.
Yeah.
All you vampire sculptors out there.
Now, Pal Tiya Premium is a very, very fibrous material, and if you allow it to stiffen, that's why the fork won't travel through that surface very quickly, is because the fibers are preventing it from doing that. So while it's creamy and lovely and dough-like, we put that in. Again, keep those undercuts rigid. See how it's starting to blur my shapes if I'm not putting them back in on this layer. So facets, facets, facets. As many as we can put in there, because we still have to cover that with a surface coat. All of this lovely stuff has to be present. Okay, here we have the mountain and our lovely Andrea gorgeously showing us how far the scratch coat has gotten on here. So Andrea, give her a little twirl. And you can see we've left a hole for where the other mountain will connect to it. We can also, hey, I love that. Now we're going to show you the other mountains. Look, these are the other major components. Hey, fabulous. So that's our lid. This is our small mountain, and this is the mountain that holds on to our flying mountain. Terran, look! So we're near it, next to it, we're taking the lid off. We're making sure that we can make a scene that's invisible. And you are a scale model, Terran. This is how big this is.
Terran, for scale.
Approximately 1 Terran size.
We're about to layer a bunch of Pal Tiya Premium here and then compress the top. That should take a pattern off this and give the ledge that the lid always sockets onto the base with. This is done real simple. We're going to put about 5 mil inside this edge. Hey, hop up here. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
I'm just going to pack that. And we will crush to the right thickness. Once that's done, we know that the lid will come off this sculpture when we need it to. I'm putting it about 3 inches in. That should give us a really nice 3-inch lip. This stuff is very, very, very soft and pliable because I want it to crush and squish at this very, very, very crucial moment. So if I got 3 inches all the way around, I think so. Ha ha, I just stole everything you had. Oh, I love it when I do that. You're not getting any of that back. After I crush this, we don't open this seam for a day.
Right.
So I either have it correct or I don't. Okay, Terran, if I can have you come on over here, up, pull the cup. Now squish the stuff where that cup was.
Got it.
And when you've got it, then we're going to, and now just, okay, that's it. We're good. Now I just sculpt all of this upwards onto that next layer. And then I have a perfect match on that seam. Get that?
Yep. Is that all we need?
I'll make the next batch since I stole yours. So that's a nice cave in there. Yay, you can see things. Wow, that's a really good picture.
Oh, I love this cave right here. That's so cool.
I'm thinking to maybe have some glowing blue light from the inside.
Yes. Yeah, I love how deep in that got.
Yep, and having those super deep piercings makes it a lot more interesting because you don't get that piercing, you don't get those deep blacks. It's flat. It's everything's too close to the surface.
We hope you enjoyed this video and come back next time. Kim and Andrea and Terran doing the rock formation of the water feature. And do become a Pal Tiya Insider so you can get access to more bonus content.